all you beautiful people? It's your girl Asia, the MUA, back with another edition of Adventures in Freelancing. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you make it to the end of the video. If, however, this is not your first time seeing my face, you already know what time it is. Say it with me. Hey, A-lister, how you doing? Somebody told me they love it when I say that, so that just makes me like so hype. Anyway, everybody knows Juvia'S Place dropped some new fire recently, and what y'all think I did? I posted on Facebook that I was about to order these, and somebody was like, well, they're probably gonna send them to you, so why are you ordering them? When Juvia'S Place releases products, I don't always get the PR first. And I feel like if I'm not going to get the PR first, if they don't hit me up and say, Asia, we're sending you this PR, then I'm not going to get the PR first. And if I'm not going to get the PR first, I'm not going to get my content up quick enough while the buzz is hot. So sometimes I just order that shit. I got a discount code. So of course, Juvia'S Place dropped the minis. These are the freaking cutest eyeshadow palettes. Oh my God. Like, of course the packaging is bomb. Typical bomb Juvia'S Place. Like, of course. So these retail for $13.99 a piece, but I think you can get the bundle for I think the bundle is like $54, and that's of course what I did because I needed all of them. I feel like if you're gonna order one, like how are you gonna order one and not order the other one? And if you're gonna order two, how are you gonna order two and not order the other two? So I need all of them. But these are just the freaking cutest 6-pan eyeshadow palettes. They're teeny tiny, so just imagine how efficient these will be in your kit. Like, they take up a small amount of retail and they pack such a punch. Like, this is beautiful and vibrant and full of life and full of fire and just, I'm so excited. I think this is such a great idea. We've seen Jaclyn Hill do this. We've seen Morphe do this. These are probably shadows that didn't make it into the palettes, but they're still bomb shades. So why not release a bundle of mini eyeshadow palettes that showcase how gorgeous our eyeshadows are, just in case y'all didn't know. For my eyes today, I did use the chocolates and the nudes mini palettes. They just really screamed at me today. Tomorrow or another time, I feel like the violets and the berries would scream at me, but today the chocolates and the nudes screamed at me. And honey, did I slay the chocolates and the nudes, or did I slay the chocolates and the nudes? You let me know. If you guys want to see how I created this look using the nudes and the chocolates palettes minis by Juvia'S Place, just keep watching.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. Bobby, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. I got 5, you know it's still alive. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, gon' slide, gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, baby, we gon' slide, don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going down. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing my thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. I got 5, you know it's still alive. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, gon' slide, gon' slide.
smile. Yeah, they after the boy like fall out. Fuck, drop it, give me 50. Girl, drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me cause you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what to do. I ain't gotta know a strategy, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. Ain't giving out apologies when I'm behind. Fucking up the sleeves in a brand new.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats when I roulette. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's still alive. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, we gon' slide.
Fucking up the sleeves in a brand new.
All we wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag.
So this is the finished look. I went ahead and threw on my baby fat t-shirt because I'm feeling super nostalgic. When I line my lips with cork, of course, same little cork I've been using for the past few weeks. When I lined my lips with cork and I looked in a mirror, I felt this super nostalgic early 2000s vibe come over me, and I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna leave it at cork. I went ahead and topped it with Goldilocks by MAC, and I'm just gonna leave the lip like that. I love how this eye look came out. I'm so proud of myself. I haven't done a cut crease on myself in forever, and I'm really, really excited with how this look came out. I love the bottom lashes, of course. This is HBIC by Lashing Out Las Vegas. I just love it. I'm so excited about how this look came out. Like, girl, cut that crease. Don't be scared. Cause you know, y'all know cut creases is not like my strongest technique. It's not my favorite technique. I struggle with it immensely. So to be able to execute this in a way that I really, really feel like is like, all right, sis, you did that. I love this wig. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this wig, if that drops before this video, which I don't think it will, but if you guys want to see a tutorial on this wig, I did film it and I will be posting it very shortly after I post this video. So stay tuned for that. Turn on your post notifications first of all. I'm going to give you a second to do that right now. Did you do it? Did you hit the post notifications? Because that's what I was waiting for. You did it? I'm going to give you another little second. Did you do it? All right, cool. So now that your post notifications are turned on, you won't miss the tutorial on this wig. This wig is hella cute. I am super, super satisfied with it. Like, if I didn't tell you it was synthetic, you probably wouldn't know. Like, if I didn't tell you it was synthetic, you probably wouldn't know. So I didn't get shedding, but a little piece of thread came out. But it's okay. As long as the wig don't fall apart next time I put it on my head, we good, sis. I am so excited about these. I feel like these are wonderful additions to the Juvia's Place universe. And they're super cute. They're super affordable. And they're just bomb colors that I feel like probably didn't make it into palettes, but were still beautiful shades. Like, why not? This is a wonderful idea. We've seen Jaclyn Hill do this. We've seen Morphe do this tons of times. Like, oh, they're so gorgeous. They're so gorgeous. And I went through to see if some of these shades were the same shades as the shades that are in the Juvia's Place palettes, because some of them do look very similar. I will give you that. Some of them do look very similar, but I couldn't find an exact shade match for anything that was in the minis to anything that was in the original Juvia's Place palette. So I think that's amazing to, like, all these palettes, all these eyeshadows, and they have not duped a shade one time. I think that's so dope and so difficult to do as well as they do it. Like, y'all already know. So let me know what you guys think of this look. Leave me a comment below. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a berry in the comments to let me know you made it all the way to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this look. I really love how it came out. I can't wait to take pictures because this is, I need to do this more often, but I'm so lazy. If you like this video, make sure you mash that thumbs up button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends. Tell your friends to share this video with their friends. Like, I really want to get my views up. I feel like the ideas that I have for content coming up soon are really good ideas. And I feel like the only thing that's missing is the views. So, y'all tell people to watch my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful.